2019 Toyota RAV4. This is the key fob. I'm going to show you how to open it. If you want to replace your battery, go ahead and flick the key open like that. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this panel off here. And by opening the key, it's going to allow us to get to the back part of the panel, I guess. There's a little slot, I guess. You can say you can put a flathead screwdriver on and pry the panel up, okay? Here like that. Okay, so you can see there's actually like two little slots. All right. We can take it off like that. There's a weather seal here that we're just going to pull off, and here's your battery. And there's another little slot. It's a little baby slot too. The screwdriver might be a little bit too big to pull this out, but I think we'll get it. Let me just pop it out like that. I'm trying not to drop it, so I'll show you what size the battery is. It's going to be a CR2032 battery, positive sign facing out towards us. It goes in the top first, and then we click it in like that. If you need a battery, there's going to be a link to Amazon if you want to get the battery, so check that out. The seal just plops right back on here just like that. Then you get the cover, it just snaps on. Snap it right back where you want it, where we need it, and you're all done. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it. Hit me the like button and leave me a comment.